This video is so much interesting because today I'm just gonna show you skeleton animation and Figma. You might see in many times YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn, any of this application, you see like this type of skeleton animation, and every single time you think about like, okay, my content is loading, and after a few seconds, you get to see your content. So this is so interesting. I know they're using kind of different skeleton animation, but the process is same to do the prototype in Figma. Okay, so to start it, you need to start from here. Let's say start from here. Okay, so first of all, we just need to make all of them as a component. Why I'm making it because if I make a component, then I can reuse it in multiple places. Rather than if I just keep it a normal frame, it's kind of hard, if I do it. But normally I can do the practice, but I think component will be better. So okay, now let's simply link into this first one to the next one, as you can see, and change this click into after delay and go to the next one. Again, select into the next one and let's make after delay. And now let's say go to this next one, simply link it, and after delay will be 800 millisecond cross. Let's go to the next one and connect it again. Let's say after delay 800 millisecond, and it's need to be instant. So this is the last one, and simply link into the first one again, and this need to be after delay, and go to the next. Let's say after delay, go to the next, after delay, and go to the next and make it after delay, and go to the next and make it after delay. And now I'm just going to the last. This is mainly the last one, and I'm just going to link it to the first one so I'm doing it here because I want it when my prototype is coming on this page, I want it to send it to the first again so that he can start from the beginning again. So this is the last one, and this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this way. And when this comes to the last, again, I'm just going to send it to the first. Okay, now I'm just going to make alter, just simply hold on alter and make a copy in here. And now I'm just going to click on design. Let's change a little bit. Let's click on this frame and let's see the preview. And as you can see, it really works fine.